I've planned over 1,000 corporate events for companies like Netflix, Reddit, and PwC. And I keep seeing the same 5 ideas being copied by almost every smart company. The problem? Most businesses have no idea these exist. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 corporate event ideas that are making employees actually excited about your company events. From luxury villa experiences to survival style challenges that build real team connections. Most event planners are still stuck doing the same tired hotel conference setups, but these 5 strategies can save you up to 30% on cost while creating experiences your team will talk about for years. I'm Thomas Maziman, CEO of Team Out, a tech corporate event planning company, and I'm going to show you exactly how to execute each one, including the specific venues, activities, and group sizes that work best. If you're getting value from this, make sure to subscribe for more insider event planning tips that your competitors don't want you to know. The first idea is so exclusive that most companies think it's impossible to pull off, but it's actually easier than you think. Picture this. Your leadership team wakes up in a luxury villa that looks like it's straight out of Selling Sunset. We're talking about Beverly Hills, Hollywood Hills, or Rodeo Drive. Now, I know what you're thinking. Thomas, that sounds crazy expensive. But here's the thing. You can actually run these celebrity-style houses for weekends or even just a full week. Here's how you make it work. Keep your group small, maximum 15 people, so everyone gets their own bedroom. Book exclusive dining experiences at places like Nobu Malibu, where you're gonna be sure to see movie stars at the next table. Add a limousine tour, maybe catch a Laker games, or do morning yoga with those incredible LA views. The secret sauce? Bring in motivational speakers right to the house and hire private chefs. Your teams will feel like they're living in a movie. What's the payoff? This creates an exclusive experience that makes you top performers feel truly valued and generate massive social media buzz for your company. Your leadership team will feel like celebrities, and that energy carries back into their work performance. Now, the villa experience is perfect for your top performers. But what if you need something for your entire team? Something that actually builds real teamwork under pressure. This next idea comes straight from the Netflix show where reality stars compete in crazy challenges. You're basically creating your own corporate battle camp. Here's how it works. You find a summer camp-style retreat location and set up a series of team challenges. Think survival classes, obstacle courses, problem-solving competitions, where teams actually get eliminated and compete for real prizes. And each day with a barbecue and have a big award ceremony at the end. The magic happens when people are pushed out of their comfort zones together. You'll see your quiet accountant become a team leader, or your sales director learning to follow someone else's leads. It's not just fun, it's really revealing. This works perfectly for bigger groups. You can handle up to 150 people, and it's also great for companies that want something more down-to-earth and outdoorsy instead of another fancy hotel experience. Okay, what's the payoff? Your team will develop real problem-solving skills and trust under pressure, and that will translate directly to better workplace collaboration. Plus, they'll have stories they'll be telling for years. But here's where it gets really interesting. What if you want to combine luxury with adventure in a way that feels like a movie? Think White Lotus, that HBO show where wealthy guests have these incredible experiences at exclusive resorts. You're doing a full venue buyout somewhere absolutely stunning. We are talking about Hawaii, Thailand, or even Sicily. Here's what makes it so special. You're not just booking an hotel, you're taking over the entire place. In Sicily, for example, you could do boat tours around the coast, spa treatments for everyone, private beat clubs with DJs, and those incredible Italian dinners under the stars. The key is mixing relaxation with unique local experiences. Maybe your CEO gives a vision talk right on the beach at sunset, or you do a cooking class with a Michelin star chef in a cliffside villa. You could even do a guided Vespa tour through coastal towns. Imagine your finance team cruising through Italian villages together. Okay, keep this intimate, maximum 30 people, so it feels exclusive, not crowded. This works perfectly for small company gatherings, leadership retreats, or department teams that have really earned something special. What's the payoff? You create this perfect blend of luxury and culture that makes people feel like they're in their own personal movie. The memories from these trips become part of your company legend. Now, if you really want to get adventurous and create stories your team will never stop talking about, this one sounds crazy, but hear me out. We actually organize a retreat in Pablo Escobar's hometown. I'm talking about Medellin to Guadalupe in Colombia. Picture this. Your team does a paintball session at Pablo Escobar's actual house. Then the winners get an helicopter ride back to your cliffside hotel overlooking the stunning Guadalupe Lake. You're jet skiing, wake surfing, doing things that feel like you're in an action movie. But here's what made it really special. We had the founders tell their origin story, how they met, how they built the company, all the people who helped them along the way. When you're in this incredible, almost surreal location, those stories hit really different. They become legendary. Now, obviously, you don't have to go to Colombia. The point is choosing a destination that feels like an adventure. Somewhere where real stories and unique activities that you can't do anywhere else. Keep it small. Maximum 30 people for this type of experience. It's perfect for leadership teams, small companies, or departments that want something they'll literally never forget. Okay, what's the payoff? You create these larger-than-life experiences that become part of your company culture. People will be talking about these memories for decades. Remember when we did paintball at Pablo Escobar's house? But what if you want something that works for bigger teams and brings everyone together around something universal? Food. Everyone loves food. Which is why this Top Chef Inspire works for groups up to 200 people. You pick a city famous for its food scene, like New York, Mexico, or Paris, anywhere with an incredible culinary culture. Here's how we did in Mexico City. We started with mezcal and malt tastings at a beautiful venue, then organized a private dinner at Pujol with chef Enrico Olvera, one of the world's most famous chefs. But the real magic happened with the cooking challenges. We divided everyone into teams, gave them traditional Mexican ingredients, and had a local chef guide them through creating 3 dishes. Some people were judges, others were cooking, everyone was laughing and getting messy together. Then we did street food tours. Tacos al pastor, tamales, churros. The best part of this, you end each day with debrief sessions about creativity, collaboration, and what everyone learned. Food breaks down barriers like nothing else. Your shy IT person is suddenly leading a team making malsos. And this scales beautifully, perfect for department offsite, sales kickoff, or world company events. It's accessible, inclusive, and everyone goes home with new skills. You create this shared experience around something everyone can enjoy, regardless of their background or interests. Plus, your team learns to work together under pressure in a fun, low-stakes environment. So there you have it, 5 corporate event ideas your competitors are already using to attract top talent and build incredible company culture. From Netflix-style villa experiences to Top Chef cooking challenges, these are not just events, they are investment in your team that pay dividends for years. But here's something I didn't mention at the start of this video. Planning these events yourself can take months of research, vendor negotiations, and coordination. That's exactly why we built Team Out to handle all of this for you. If you want to see how we can save 30% on venue costs and handle everything from venue sourcing to on-site planning, check out the link in our description. We've helped over 1,000 companies create unforgettable experiences. And if this video helped you think differently about corporate events, hit that subscribe button for more insider tips that most event planners don't want you to know. See you in the next video.